Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Yvonne, the lady with the hammer. I just got a piece in a couple of days ago. It's in parts, so I'm going to have to do a multiple part video because nobody wants to watch this for, 8 hours. Anyways, let me turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what I'm working with. All right, here we go. Here's the top. Everything's a pot. So I have the piece to this up here. The drawers, I'm gonna need to pick up some more of these. These are just little small wood things I can get, and I can color them to match. A few of the drawers are missing, but the veneer on the drawers seem to be really good. The pillows are all loose. The sides, you can see the whole cabinet is pretty, it's falling apart. If it wasn't on the ground, if it was loose, then you would see, there's multiple pieces. There's pieces missing in the bottom of the drawers. I think this might be the piece, but I'm not 100% sure. I might have gotten lucky. Might be all the original knobs. I think one, maybe that one is replaced. I might be able to darken it. But once I get into it, I'll know better. The base is over here. As you can see, the veneer is all ripped up. Yeah, but so that's the project. I think it's 18th century, for sure. All right, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down there. I don't know what you guys are waiting for. If you want to come on my journeys, I repair furniture, I upcycle, I paint, I flip, I do customer work. I do a lot of everything. So yeah, follow along and we'll get cracking on this project. Bye now.